Hey friends, so I've had these 3 trail cams up pretty much all summer long. Just brought them back. I'm just going to splice together footage off this first trail cam to begin with. Let's have a look and see some of the good stuff I caught. Friends, caught some lovely things. Magnificent roebuck to begin with. There's a few roe deer, bucks, well, some hinds with magnificent alert ears. Also caught what I think is a long-eared owl. It's certainly an owl. You see it sort of perched on the branch centre screen and then it takes off. Just so pleased about how many deer are down there. See the hoof prints all the time in the winter. Also, magnificent to see 2 different foxes. One quite young and skinny, the other with a big bushy tail. Really pleased with the mixture of wildlife managed to pick up on camera. And this is just the first trail cam. I've got another 2 SD cards full of footage off the other cameras, so yeah, I'm quite pleased with the results. It does explain some of the noises you hear down there, particularly when I was camping. There was an awful lot of footage of squirrels, but I don't mind them, they're cute. But yeah, all in all, very, very pleased with the footage Rick picked up, and thanks for watching it with me.